Alpacas. Alpacas come from South America, and they are known for their incredibly soft and warm fleece, which is perfect for making cozy sweaters and blankets. Alpacas are gentle and friendly animals, and they often hum to communicate with each other. Isn't that cool, emus? Emus are the second largest birds in the world, and they are not native to Australia. They are excellent runners and can sprint at incredible speeds. Emus are known for their large, beautiful blue-green eggs, which are quite unique in the bird world. Turkeys. Turkeys are not just for Thanksgiving. There are many different breeds of turkeys, and some have colorful feathers and funny names like bourbon red. Turkeys have a special wattle and snoot on their faces, which can change color when they get excited or happy. Jacob sheep. Jacob sheep are known for their distinctive appearance with multiple horns, sometimes even 4 or more. Each one is unique. These sheep are friendly and easy to handle, making them a favorite on many farms. Peafowl. Peafowls are famous for their beautiful and colorful feathers, especially the males called peacocks. Did you know that a group of peafowls is called a party? That sounds like a lot of fun. Miniature donkeys. Miniature donkeys are like the pocket-sized version of regular donkeys. They are super cute and love to be petted.
These little donkeys are known for fire-friendly and social personalities, making them perfect farm buddies.
Bison.
Bison, also known as buffalo, are the largest land animals in North America. They have a hump on their back and a shaggy coat. Bison were once nearly extinct, but thanks to conservation efforts, their populations are slowly recovering.
Fainting goats. Fainting goats have a unique genetic trait that causes their muscles to freeze when they're startled, making them appear to faint. Despite their unusual behavior, fainting goats are friendly and great for families. These are large, flightless birds from South America. They are excellent runners and can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. These birds are great parents and take turns incubating their eggs. 10. Yaks. Yaks are well suited for high altitude regions like the Himalayas, where they help people with transportation and provide milk and wool. Their long, shaggy hair protects them from cold temperatures and harsh weather. Conclusion. End the video with a cheerful conclusion. And there you have it, young explorers. We've met 10 unusual farm animals today, each with its own fascinating story. I hope you enjoyed this farm adventure. Remember to stay curious and keep learning about the incredible world of animals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting educational content.